When every employee feels they belong, gets coaching when it counts, in context, and builds the skills the organization needs. When engagement signals surface before they become attrition. When learning, performance, and engagement connect into one live score that tells executives where to act. That is what we call human success. Continuous pulse checks and AI sentiment analysis replace the annual survey. AI surfaces disengagement before it becomes attrition. Talent mapping shows your high performers, your succession risks, and leaders can query AI to go deeper by team, by department, by the whole organization. Not a dashboard you check after each quarter. A live signal that the system acts on. A full engagement and workforce intelligence engine with AI coaching for every employee, every manager, and every leader. Natively inside Microsoft 365. This is how people data stops looking backwards and starts driving what happens next. No after the fact attrition reports, but early warnings the system acts on. No annual surveys that confirm what you suspected, but continuous signal that drive high performance organizations every single day. We are Zensai, the human success company.